G'day guys, and today I'm going to do another video, and this one's going to be about installing wireless and SOHO networks. And subscribe away guys if you're keen to see more practice questions. I'll keep them coming your way. Which of the following wireless Archability standards operate on 2.4 GHz radio frequency and are directly compatible with each other? We got two to choose from, so we got A, B, D and G. Give you guys the answer for this one because that's what they're compatible with. It is B and D. As in answers B and D, so chip B and Wallace G. 152, what is the primary function of the SSID? We've got secure communication between the web server and web browser, secure communication between server and remote host, password to help secure wireless connection, type of password used to secure an Ethernet 802.3 connection. The answers aren't exactly written well, but the answer is C, type of password used to help secure a wireless connection. An SSID is actually the name of the network, and the WPA key or the wireless key is the password that helps you get to the wireless connection. Kind of a function, but it's not a password. But that is technically the answer. 153. Which two of the following are standards for cellular communications? And we got two to choose from again: GSM, SIG, CDMA, CCFL. I'll just give you the answers for this one. It is A and C. GSM and CDMA, those are the ones, because the other ones are following standards. Yeah, because the others are not. 154. What is the most secure wireless encryption standard for 802.11 networks? We got WEP, WPA, WPA2, and then Safer Plus. WEP's very weak. Don't use WEP. WPA is stronger than WEP, but WPA2 is stronger. So that's the most secure. 155, and again, this is a question that just has an answer because that's what the answer is. What level of quality of service is designated for interactive voice and video? It's C, 5. 156, you have just installed a wireless router on your home network. Which of the following should you do to make it highly secure? Choose 2. Change the default administrator name and password, change the SSID, enable WEP, configure it to channel 11. If you've heard me before, don't use WEP, so it's not that. It's A and B. So you want to change the default administrator name and password, because if someone comes over to your house and plugs in and logs in, they can do some crazy stuff. And the SSID as well, a good security mechanism as well. 157, you are setting up a small office network for a client. Which internet service would you recommend to provide the best speed? None of these, to be honest, but we'll go through them. DSL, dial-up, satellite, BRI, ISDN, PRI, ISDN. Well, I'll give you the answer for this one, guys. It is A, digital subscriber line. Never thought I'd say that to recommend it and be the quickest connection. Yeah, A plus at its finest. 158, which service allows users with private IP addresses to access the internet using a public IP address? We've got DHCP, DNS, DMZ, and NAT. DMZ is sort of, I guess, communication between the internal and external router. DNS is converting names and IP addresses, and DHCP, obviously, we get addresses from it, so it doesn't change them. Network address translation does, though, and D's the answer. 159, second and last one of the day. You are installing a single 802.11g wireless network. The office space is large enough that you need 3 wireless access points. What channels should you configure the WAPs on to avoid communication issues? You've got 257, 1814, 1611, 369, and the 3 channels that don't overlap, C, 1611. Final one of the day, guys. You are setting up a wireless network. Which wireless standards would give the users over 40 megabits per second throughput? Choose 3, so there's only one that's going to be wrong. So we've got A, B, G, and M. So the only one that doesn't do over 40 is B. So it is A, C, and D. These all do at least 54 megabits per second, and B does 11 megabits per second for you guys to know that one. So that's it. Thanks heaps for sticking around, guys. Smash that subscribe button to keep up to date with all the questions. It'll be muchly appreciated. And give the video a like as well. It'll be awesome. So thanks heaps for sticking around, guys. I'll catch you all next time.